Guys, I'm not going to be getting my motorcycle on Saturday. I'm going to be getting it Wednesday or Thursday of next week. I called it was supposed to be delivered here to my house tomorrow. The dealer told me either Friday or Saturday. So 6 o'clock p.m. was coming around. 6 p.m. came around, and I decided to let me text the salesman to see what's going on, see if it's going to be here tomorrow, because apparently it's not going to be here today on Friday. So the motorcycle has a bad starter, according to them. They had to order a starter, and the starter never go. There was a mix-up with the order of the starter. They thought they ordered it, but they didn't order it. So they ordered it today at their cost, and it should be, they can't even overnight it. The company that they're getting it off of won't overnight it. So the starter should be in Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. They'll throw it on, and so I should get the motorcycle Thursday or Friday, or possibly even Saturday next week, as long as everything goes okay. So I figured I owe you guys that. I'm touching base with everyone. Right now I'm making quiche. We're putting some ground beef in it. Got some pepper, some green bell peppers. We put a half an onion in. We're going to cook up some mushrooms. I'm putting eggs in this, and I'm putting ricotta cheese in it, and some spices like oregano, Italian flavoring, some garlic. And we're going to make it like a pie. A little 9-inch pie. We're going to stuff it with all this stuff, and we're going to bake it on 350 for 30 minutes. So it's about what, it's 12:30 in the morning right now. And yeah, guys, so the motorcycle should be delivered here late next week, and it's worth the wait. It really is. It's a really nice motorcycle. I'm sure everyone will enjoy it. I'll make sure I do plenty of rides on it, and once I get it, I'll give you guys a walkthrough of the entire motorcycle, a detailed walkthrough. Till next time.